this video, I'll show you how to create a floor in Revit step by step. First, open your ground floor plan where walls are already created. Go to the Architecture tab and click on the Floor Architecture. From the Properties panel, select the required floor type. Now draw the floor boundary using the wall edges. Make sure the boundary is fully closed. Click on the green tick to finish the floor sketch and click Attach. Switch to 3D view to check the floor placement. Now let's create a floor at plinth level. Go to Floor tool, select Floor type, Edit type, click on Duplicate, rename for the plinth level. OK, Edit. Change floor thickness for the plinth level 2 feet. OK. Now draw the floor boundary for the plinth level. Click Finish. Click on 3D view to check the floor position. Go to the elevation. Click on Modify. Select Align tool and align. For adjust the floor thickness and material, select the floor. In Edit type, change the floor thickness as required, and to change the material, click on the structure, then assign the desired material. The floor is now successfully created in the plan. If the floor is not attached to the wall, you may notice a small gap between the wall and the floor, or a wall is extended above the floor. This happens because the wall is not properly attached to the floor or the level. To fix this, select the wall. Go to the Modify tab and click Attach top or base, then select the floor. Now the wall is correctly connected to the floor and the gap is removed. The floor is now successfully created. Thanks for watching.